Okay, so in this video we're going to be doing the hatches. For that we're going to make different hatch layers. First I'm going to add in CONC hatch, meaning concrete hatch. This is going to be black in color. Okay, everything else is alright. Hit enter, do a double click on it to activate the hatch. To activate the layer. Now we're going to take up our hatch layer. There we go. And we have air concrete. Okay, so we go with AR concrete, click on OK, add the pick points. Let's take a look at the pick points. This is a pick point, this is a pick point, okay, this is a pick point, okay. Alright, come here. They're saying there is a problem with it. Okay. Alright, I don't think my PC has enough power to control all that hatch altogether. Okay, here. Let's see what's the problem here. Okay, everything has hanged now. Where is my mouse? Where is my software? I have no idea what's going on. I don't know if my PC is going to crash now. That's why I hate hatching. Okay. I think it has gone cuckoo. Alright, let me fix the situation and then come back again. Okay, so I had to restart everything, so I think we have lost our layer as well. Yes, I've lost my layer. So I'm going to give in conc hatch once again. Hit enter, do a double click on it. Got it. Okay, now I take the hatch. Let's see if I'll be able to do hatch or not. ISO other air conc. Add pick points. One pick point, two pick point, three pick points, 4, 5. Please don't shut down again. 6. I think the number 5 did not take. Okay. Alright, let's see the preview. And the preview says it is not alright. Remove boundaries. Okay, let's cancel that up. Let's come here and see what seems to be the problem. Okay, let's delete this. Come here again. Let's delete this. Let's activate hatch. Add pick points. Let me see. Okay, they're saying there's a problem. Let's see here and here. Okay, let's delete these two lines. I think we should be good to go now. Add a pick point. Yes, we're good to go. Okay, fingers crossed. Don't let me down now, my PC. And it has let me down again. La 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 la.